Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sorel Tracy, Quebec, is a charming city located in the Montérégie region, right along the St. Lawrence River. It's about 75 kilometers northeast of Montreal, making it a perfect spot for both locals and visitors to enjoy a blend of history, nature, and culture. Sorel Tracy was originally founded in 1642, making it one of the oldest settlements in Canada. Its name honors Pierre de Sorel, a captain in the Carignan-Salières regiment. Over the centuries, Sorel Tracy grew into an important hub for trade, shipbuilding, and industry, taking advantage of its strategic location at the mouth of the Richelieu River. Today, it's a lively community with a population of over 34,000 people. Nature lovers will adore Sorel Tracy's incredible surroundings. The city is part of the UNESCO-recognized Lac Saint-Pierre Biosphere Reserve. This area is rich in wildlife, including herons and migratory birds, and features stunning wetlands, perfect for ecotourism activities like kayaking and birdwatching. This city is also known for its maritime heritage, with several shipyards contributing to its industrial success. Strolling along the waterfront, you'll notice how the city combines its industrial roots with modern recreational spaces, such as marinas and bike paths. Whether you're here for the history, the outdoor adventures, or the warm local charm, Sorel Tracy is sure to leave you with wonderful memories.
Bye.